Hey, what's going on, guys? I am like super stoked today. I may catch some flack for this one, and I don't care. But I got a kit that I have wanted for a while. Could not find it, or I thought I couldn't find it within the United States. If there was another one out there, it was hidden. I finally found one here in the States. Place up in Columbus, Ohio, called Hobbies Galore. I'm going to show you what it is. Again, it may get some flack, but I don't care. Richie and the guys, Hobbies Galore, Columbus, Ohio. If you're looking for something that is seems a little hard to reach, hard to find, give those guys a try. So go ahead and get all the ribbon and all the joking and mess out of the way. But yes, it is an MST DC1. I have wanted this Land Rover for so long, and it was so hard to find. So, I don't know what else to say. The fact that it's here is just incredible. I bought this on the 4th of January. Then the U.S. Postal Service was delivering it. They lost it, and so my heart dropped. And I had been dealing with our local postal service, trying to get them to locate it, and they found it in the distribution center that it made it to before it got here to the capital city of Raleigh, and said that it was lost within the facility. The last phone call I got was on the 15th about it, and they told me I'd basically, I'm just gonna have to wait it out. And so my heart kind of dropped again, and now today is the 16th, and I happen to go outside, and there it is on the porch. So incredibly stoked to have it. But this is a kit, and the reason why I wanted the kit so bad is for that body. I always like these Landies, and so when I had the opportunity to buy this one, I had to do it. And thank goodness it's here. It took, oh gosh, what, 12 days to get it here? But it's here. Thank the Lord. I didn't lose the money, but killer rig. Figured I'd try to do a small, quick unboxing. I know I get a little long-winded, but oh man, just in awe. It's like having a superstar in the building, Let's open this thing up, and I'll show you what all we got. Let's get this thing open, and I'm gonna try to stay out of the way as much as possible. But with my limited space, you're just gonna have to bear with me. So first things first, that's everything. All right, so the first bag we pull out, this is all trim parts. This is bumpers, snorkel, light buckets for front and rear. There's a muffler. Look at that, that's cool. Hope this is getting in the frame. Yeah, it is. So tires. Now I'm not much worried about these because I've bought several parts for this truck already. I got another bumper, I got a servo, I got a motor, and bought a set of tires and wheels for it. So I'm not sure that I'm going to run these at all, but nice set. No foams in them. I'll show you the foams. They have already cut like such. Now the only thing that ticks me off is these are not the wheels that are on the box art. Okay, so but it's okay. It's still a decent scale wheel. Don't know that I'll use them. May use them down the line, but but the fact that they've already got them star cut, that's pretty cool. Oh wow, we're not gonna get it yet. Frame rails, steel frame rails. Looks kind of like an SCX10 kind of setup. We're gonna get into, oh my gosh, no stuff in the bottom. Decent. Wow, man, look at it. Got a nice instruction manual. I'm not gonna open it up yet. What else is in here? Oh my gosh, there's another manual. Manual and decals. Holy cow, okay. But man, check that body out. That body's gonna be cool. I liked it because there's so much detail on this body. Let's get into this. All this stuff inside. Over. editing coming with this. Box, there's another bag of stuff there. Now this transmission has got some kind of a planetary gear setup. I've never seen it, but it looks pretty interesting. But everything's really bagged well. There's the axles there. When I start building it, I may do like a build series, I don't know, or I might get be like a kid on Christmas and just throw it together, and then you'll see it when it's put together. I have no idea. Here's another bag full of stuff here. Metal links down in here. I don't know if you can see them or not. My lighting, I'm sorry, but oh, nice. Springs. Springs are nice. Nothing too heavy. This should be pretty cool. Got a set of tools in there too. Look at that. Wow. I have no clue what the hell this is. Oh man, this looks like, is that what it is? Inner fender wheels. Holy cannoli. Fender wheels. Cool deal. But here it is, man. Check that out. That is a cool body. Right, let me see if I can get it to drop a little bit. The detail on this body is just cool, man. There's a lot of add-ons that need to go on it. Oh man, the fender flares are already molded in, so they just got to be, all right, cool, that's awesome. But killer body, you know, kind of like a Tamiya body with all the detail. Handles are molded in. Even the bolt holes for the fender flares, it's molded in there. I hope it's picking it up. And then these quarter windows on the back. And there's a set of rails that go up here, and then the snorkel is up here. But this thing is going to be decked out. LEDs. It's not going to be blue. I've chosen to paint. The paint's going to be amazing. It's going to be pretty. It's just one color and just really nice. This is going to be just a trail rig. This is not going to be something we crawl a lot, but a bona fide dedicated trail truck. And I am so anxious to get started on this thing. Not be the best unboxing video out there, but I'm like too excited, so I really want to get started on it. So I'm gonna have to shut this off and start looking through this this manual and see what we got to do. I want to get this thing up and running and set her up on the shelf for the rest of these things. But thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking a look, and we will catch you guys on the next one. I'll update it on the next portion, get it in the roller. All right, you guys take care. We'll see you.